Copper is a chemical element with the symbol Cu and atomic number 29. It is a soft, malleable, and ductile metal with very high thermal and electrical conductivity. A freshly exposed surface of pure copper has a reddish-orange color. Copper is used as a conductor of heat and electricity, as a building material, and as a constituent of various metal alloys, such as sterling silver used in jewelry, cupronickel used to make marine hardware and coins, and constantan used in strain gauges and thermocouples for temperature measurement. Copper is one of the oldest metals known to man, with a history dating back to ancient civilizations. It was first used by humans more than 10,000 years ago, and it is still an important metal in the modern world. Copper is widely distributed in the Earth's crust, making up about 0.1% of the total mass of the crust. The metal is found in ore deposits throughout the world, and it can be extracted from these deposits through mining. Copper has a number of important properties that make it useful in a variety of applications. It is an excellent conductor of heat and electricity, which makes it ideal for use in electrical wires and cables. Copper is also corrosion resistant, which makes it ideal for use in water pipes and other applications where it may be exposed to the elements. Copper is also a good thermal conductor, which makes it useful in cookware and other applications where heat needs to be transferred quickly. In addition to its practical uses, copper has a number of other properties that make it a valuable metal. Copper is a good conductor of heat and electricity, and it is also a good thermal conductor. Copper is also corrosion resistant and ductile, which makes it easy to work with and shape into a variety of forms. Copper is also resistant to bacteria, which makes it useful in applications where hygiene is important. Copper has a number of industrial uses, including the manufacture of electrical wires, cables, and other electrical components. Copper is also used in the production of plumbing pipes and fittings, as well as in the manufacture of cookware and other household items. Copper is also used in the construction industry, where it is used in roofing, flashing, and other applications. Copper is also used in the production of coins, jewelry, and other decorative items. In summary, copper is a versatile and important metal that has a number of practical and industrial uses. It is an excellent conductor of heat and electricity, it is corrosion resistant, and it is easy to work with and shape into a variety of forms. Copper has a long history of use, and it is likely to continue to be an important metal in the future.